Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Gusma Yeni, student of Padang State University, Economic Faculty. Okay, today I will presentation about regional economic international journal. Okay, the title of the article or journal is Assessing the Regional Economic Development Impacts of Universities, a Review of Current Approach by Joshua Drucker. Okay, a keyword of the article is economic impact, economic growth, human capital, university research, technology development. Background: dramatic change in regional and international economic conditions such as trading, globalization, and advanced economic shift from traditional manufacturing to production and solid knowledge have given many drivers for this concern. State and regional economic development agencies in the United States and other development economic countries are increasingly pushed toward the strategies designed to utilize knowledge-based economies that appear in their territory. Okay, various efforts have been made to assess the impact of activities undertaken by college. Approach and methodology have been varied and may not be too surprising, have produced various estimates of the impact of university to the regional economic. This article contains the existing literature about whether the question and what extent to the higher education institution affect the result of local economic development. Okay, toward a typology of university function, Goldstein, Mayer, and Luger identified a different function or output of modern research universities that have the potential to cause economic development impacts. The first, knowledge creation, human capital creation, transfer of existing knowledge, technological innovation, investment, regional leadership and production of knowledge infrastructure, and influence on the regional environment. Although each item in this list represents a different university output, they are not mutually exclusive in terms of university activities. Certain activities may overlap among identified functions. Okay, impact studies of individual universities. Some reviewers of the university impact study literature have argued that expenditure studies have not been able to properly capture and measure economic impact of university activities. This is partly due to methodological limitation and also partly due to the practice of considering too narrow a spectrum of resource impact of a university and a region by examining student migration patterns and canal. There are two major drawbacks to the individual university study approach. The first is the problem of attributor determining the causal relationship between university activities and regional outcomes of interest. This difficulty is most pronounced in assessing indirect impact and regional outcome of interest. This difficult is most pronounced in assessing indirect impacts such as increased regional productivity or increased regional innovation activities, which depend on a number of other external conditions or disturbing factors other than those related to higher education institution. Okay, survey used as an economic impact assessment tool. The second approach proven in the literature is based on survey. Survey research is much less common in the university impact literature than a single case study. One of its use is to approach the problem of attribution by asking questions that the Adam explore the role of educational institution to other factors in bringing about regional economic development outcomes. Exhibitor impact studies of individual universities. As noted earlier, survey questions that address attribution uses face their clear threats of validity, such as ignorance or respondent bias. Presumably, respondents know more about the company than do about a particular technology or industry in general. Adam to generalize impact of universities on firm location decisions are unclear because their effect appear to depend on various regional, industry, and university characteristics. Production, the microeconomic approach. Production function, the economic in particular, have taken a different approach to the assessment of the economic impact by utilizing the function of knowledge production. The production analysis of knowledge has shown that knowledge as output has the quality that makes it unique. Thus, knowledge producing organizations should be considered different from other major organizations which substantial result on work. The external benefit of knowledge production is particular form leads to increased innovation among other regional companies. Although the research body saw as considerable variation in measurable and significant signing of the effect, various approach taken in an effort to measure and characteristic innovative activities so methodological difficulty involved in the use of the models theoretical determine relationship to study the impact of the university. Okay, although the result of knowledge production studies are easier to be generalized rather than a single university study, most studies described in this section concentrate on output of research university technology research by ignoring others way in which the university contributes to regional economic development. Cross-sectional and quasi-experimental research. Design cross-sectional analysis is not as fast and as analysis that's really on strong theory to determine functional from. The empirical results show that the university research, teaching, and development of technology does help increase regional average income with knowledge spillover and other benefits of regular cross-border are also influential. The university influence in the region is very important in a relatively small MSA, which has less than 200,000 non-agricultural work, indicating that the university can serve major substitute in regional development. In fact, the university might be less important and material for regional economic progress in large MSE because they are a much smaller proportion of total innovative activities. The conclusion, this article has reviewed for major approach taken in the literature to check and assess the impact of universities in regional economic development, the impact of the university of the university survey, estimation of production function, and cross-sectional or quasi-specialized design. Each of these methods presents their own advantage and disadvantage, and respectively with the likelihood of the exception of survey method continuously used in order to investigate the impact of universities and other knowledge-producing entities. Although there are large variation in the magnitude and belief of the result obtained, and often the non-diversity of regional non-diversity factor is rather than university factor. Most empirical analysis show that the impact of university activities on regional economic development is quite large. This work to some extent to validate state and local policies designed to improve the university economic development function of the new universities, and will support more traditional research and human creation activities in the region. Okay, thank you. That's all about the journal.